EIT Manufacturing is an innovation community connecting more than 60 leading manufacturing actors across 17 member states with one aim: to make Europe a global leader in manufacturing innovation. In order to achieve our goal, we see four main areas of transformation: people and robots, additive production technologies, waste-free manufacturing, and digital and collaborative platforms. Our objective is to deliver added value through education, innovation, and business creation. In our second year of operation, we have led a number of successful initiatives, including launch of the first stakeholder consultation process with more than 230 active participants and 17 hotspots identified, launch of social network and open innovation platform Agora with more than 600 members, creation of seminar series Tuesdays from Future and Technology Radar, over 140 applications and 2 boost-up competitions, engaging with more than 200 startups, scale-ups, and SMEs, investments of more than 3.8 million euros attracted by supported startups and scale-ups, collaboration with more than 3,800 students or learners, engaging with over 10,000 teachers and pupils and developing more than 4,500 learning nuggets, 27 teaching and learning factories projects implemented over 9 different risk countries, running activities in risk hubs in 13 European countries. Our work has only just started, and we look forward to another successful year of transforming Europe into a global leader in innovative, competitive, and sustainable manufacturing. #Manufacturing Impact.